Disco, he's making mapping mission. He's doing mapping mission, kind of handcrafted, point by point, waypoint by waypoint. Not real great, but it's something. Better than nothing. This is a live feed from a camera, pointed down and taking pictures. Of course, it's crappy camera. It's gonna be substituted with a GoPro, probably GoPro Session, something lighter, on the middle, looking straight down. Yeah, almost done. This one is taking so far 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Yes, another 5 minutes and we'll be back. Battery percentage is 86%. This is the upgraded 4 milliwatt battery, rated 10C. In the cruising altitude, the airplane is it's using just like 3 amps, even less. Yeah, 9 minutes so far. Few more turns. It loses range after the half of the field somewhere here. That's understandable. This is like almost like Wi-Fi FPV type of gear. The island itself, it's about exactly kilometer long, and it's about 400 meters wide. There it is, the last turn. I guess you're gonna lose the range exactly in the turn because of the yeah, I was right. Disappear of the radar. It will appear in a bit after finish the turn. I guess it disappeared because of the tilting. Even with the circular polarized antennas on board, yeah, it reappeared. Video. Oops. Loitering. Lost again. I hope it didn't stall. Oh god. I have a gut feeling that stalled and fell off the sky because of the center of gravity. What's wrong? It's coming back. It's coming back. Coming back for landing. His live feed. It should be somewhere in the sky. Oh yeah, I see it. Here's the live feed. Loses altitude rapidly. Yeah, and should land right here if everything goes according to plans. Yeah, now it's in the final approach. Whoa, that was. It can't be perfect than that, more perfect. Here's the payload, the battery, and rock. The size and the weight of the GoPro Session. I will check on the scale at home.